Start Tableau and you should see this connect screen. And you can always get to that by clicking on the little Tableau icon there. We want to connect to the data file for this assignment, which is an Excel file. So I'm going to click on Excel, and then you would navigate to the directory where you have the assignment data file, World Bank CO2. I'm going to open that, and we see the worksheets. We're going to use the CO2 data clean. So we click on that, left click, and drag it here. It says drag tables. And there is our view of the Excel worksheet. You should remember that Tableau is making, in essence, a copy of your Excel file. It does not, no matter what you do in Tableau, change the original data. So it has a copy. And when you save as a workbook, it creates what is known as an extract. So that data that is needed to go along with your data visualizations is available when you publish it to Tableau Public. We're now ready to get to work.